Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Miriam. For those of you who are new, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I have been organizing since the New Year's and I'm not stopping yet. I'm going to continue until I tackle each and every room. Today, I'm working on my son's room. I recently did it over for him, but it's a mess. He's growing. There's a lot of things that he doesn't need, a lot of things that I need to like get rid of, and a lot of things I need to transition into his room. So let's take a look at what his room looks like right now. Okay, so when you first walk in, he has toys over there. It's messy. Those are clean sheets that I have on his bed and some that I need to wash. So this is what it looks like. I'm changing a lot of his decor in here. I do love that over there. His dresser, things all over it. I don't have blinds on that, and boy, do y'all see this? It's like a shoe madness. Like his older brother even puts his shoes in here now, because it's like, why not? Is everybody else, you know, everything else is a mess in here, why not just put my shoes in here? So messy. He did have a shoe organizer there, but I brought it downstairs, so that's one thing that I'm gonna have to get for this room. So yeah. So before I start anything, I'm going to write down the measurements of the closet, so I know exactly what I need, and I know exactly how much of anything I need to get, so everything fits in there, it's snug, and it's not, you know, so I don't have to keep going back and forth in the store, because that's something that I don't want to do. So I'm just going to write down what I want to get and then the measurements of the place. So here's everything that I got from the store. Stuff that I need, stuff that I didn't need. Well, for the project, that's what I mean. Alright, so I just got back from the store, had some lunch, and now it's time to get busy. So I'm gonna start off by taking out everything that he no longer fits, put it to the side. Everything that he currently can fit, and the things that we are giving away. If that makes any sense, I'm gonna start. You see what I'm doing. Ooh, this lighting. You guys, this used to be my favorite shoes to wear on him. The little Uggs. They no longer fit. For this part of the closet, this right here, I'm going to be using these boxes. I got it from Office Max. I was surprised at the price of this. I've never seen any boxes like this, storage boxes like this before. I guess it's because, I don't know, it's not meant for what I'm going to use it for, but I thought they were really cool. So you open it and it looks like this. Take this out. I like the color too. The color looks very nice. When you open it up, I've never seen boxes like this before. So it has the cute little buttons. You open it up like this, right? And then you gotta like snap it together. So put it like this, and then you clip it. So this goes here. This clips here. It's just keep in mind this is paper though. So I guess you're supposed to use it for paper, but I'm not using it for that. Now it comes with a top, but I'm not gonna use the top in here. I'm actually gonna use these for something else. So I'm just gonna keep it and put it to the side. Moving on to this part, I'm working my way up. So I switched out all the hangers that he had in his closet. I took out all of the plastic ones and replaced it with the velvet ones that I got from TJ Maxx. It fits a lot slimmer, so it allowed me to have more stuff in his closet, and also it just looks a lot better. It's more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So this is what we're up to so far. All these hangers I'm throwing away because it's not reusable, it's garbage. These right here are stuff that don't fit him yet. All of these shoes no longer fit, so they're getting donated. Everything here, as well as everything on the bed, also no longer fits, so they're getting donated, including those hangers. Those hangers are in good condition, so I'm not gonna throw them out. I'm sure somebody can use those hangers. So that's what we're up to right now. So I'm about to tackle the top part of his closet and get all the jeans and stuff that's up there. Flip y'all. The top, I'm about to work on that right now because that's just looks crazy. To change the curtains out in his room because there was just too much blue going on for me, so I wanted to calm it down a little bit by giving it a creamish white curtains in his room. So initially I was going to continue to use those curtain rods, the white ones, but the new curtains that I put in his room were too strong and too heavy for those, so I ended up having to change those curtain rods and replacing them with something stronger. Let's remember what the room was looking like before all of the cleaning and changes that was done to it. So it was clothes all over there. The pictures were hung a lot too high. And there was a mess on the dresser and the shoes were all over the place. And now let's take a look at it after the cleanup.